In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage support email templates in Zoho CRM using Chrome. We'll dive into the steps necessary to streamline your communication process with customers, saving you both time and effort in crafting responses for support tickets. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Chrome browser and navigating to Zoho CRM. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. This process will start from the Setup section. So look towards the top right corner and click on the Setup icon. It's the one that looks like a wrench or sometimes a gear depending on updates. This area is essentially the control center where you can customize and manage your CRM settings. As you delve into Setup, you'll want to locate Templates, and specifically, you'll focus on Email Templates. This is where you can view, edit, or create templates that are crucial for streamlining your customer interactions. It allows consistent, professional communication that can be tailored quickly to different types of inquiries. Next, it's time to select the Cases module. This is essential because we are focusing on support queries and interactions that typically fall under this module. Selecting the Cases module ensures that the templates you create or modify are directly relevant to the support tickets your team handles. Now, either create a new support email template or choose to edit an existing one. Starting a new template can be as easy as clicking New Template, which allows you to define a new style, format, or approach for your emails. Meanwhile, editing an existing template gives you the opportunity to refine current communication based on feedback or new requirements. One of the most powerful features you can incorporate is the use of placeholders. Placeholders are dynamic elements that automatically pull in case details and customer information when the template is used. This might include customer names, case ID numbers, or specific inquiries. This personalization enhances the customer experience by making each email feel tailored specifically for them without requiring you to enter information manually each time. Once you're satisfied with the structure and content of your template, save your changes. This final step is crucial for preserving all the hard work you've put into creating these templates. Once saved, these templates are ready for deployment. You can now use them to respond efficiently to support tickets, ensuring that all outgoing communication is consistent and professional. With these templates in place, your interactions with customers will not only become quicker, but also remain professional and on brand. Efficient response times can improve customer satisfaction and drive a more productive support team. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps empower you to maximize your